Hi everyone, here we've got the DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app obviously, and in order to find the timer we have to enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. As you can see, the self timer is on the second position, so let's enter, and we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now obviously the self timer is off, but we can set either 2 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is simply tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it is notified right here. So right now we can go back to the camera and check. Here we've got also the small icon that we've just set 10 seconds delay. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 obviously, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so and this is it. This is how to set the timer. Obviously you can pick another option which was 2 seconds and delay, or you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.